Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So I'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to add friends to your favorite on Facebook. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Scroll down till you get your time on Facebook. Then tap on get more from your time. After that, press on new feed preference. Then press on favorites. Here you can find friends which you can add whatever you want to your friends list. Or you can search by here like this. Let's write for example this person. After that press on add. Now you added this person to your favorite list. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to add friends to your favorite list on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.